Alright guys, still your guy Big Tank from Double South, and this video now quickly what I want to tell be say I want show now what to be the CSS position and what that property they do. So that CSS position now, so it won't take style be like the way all those our padding our margin that they work, but not be the same thing you get, but see they do something similar you get. So the way that thing they work, we see if you specify okay, man. So if you specify header like this now, might do something quickly now. Or can I say header? Then I'll create another section. Then quickly I could say footer. So I get header, section, and footer. So my just type sharp. I'll say this header now. I want the width, make it be 100% now. You get me? You go end to end. Then I want the height. Make the height take like 150 pixel. Then maybe background color be make it be blue. Abi more say Bollywood. I not call on him. They not teach us of primary school. More say Bollywood. Now say they call be Bollywood. Okay, so not Bollywood. Interesting. All right, so now for the header. Then if you come section, the width make it be 100%. Then how many height be 800 pixel, and more copy this code. Make the background color be yellow make green. More duplicate this guy. So this one could be for footer. So the footer with the same stuff, heights, make the footer heights, may still go up small. 400. I just try to do so that I'll scroll the page. I make I do it like this, so maybe green. So more see now. See now, so I'll scroll the page now, at least. So this top here now, and I ain't gonna be our header. So maybe logo feed here and our other color now. Navigation feed somewhere, something like that. Then this yellow now, and I have our content go there now. Then this place now will be footer. We'll see get some kind of navigations and address, all this kind of stuff. You understand the basics before normal designer. So now this header, if I come here now I say position, then I can put fixed. Position fixed. What will happen here? See how this will happen now. If I scroll here, you see this guy is still there. You see him? In fact, let's not see him for this one. Mark come out for here. Mark show from another place. Inside the section, Mark creates one. Inside the section, Mark creates one div. So I'll start the div quickly now. I'll see the width and the height. I'll copy this guys so that I'll not waste time. The width and the height now, make it 200 pixel. Then make the background color maybe blue. You see him? That there now on you. So now it did like this now. Now you see how with the screw now. See how loaded the screw. Shade this here. Now if I come this div now, a position I could give a position of fixed. Because that's one of the values where we enter this position. If I give a fixed now, what you got to say this div now, so this blue now, it will remain for this position. Even as with the screw, it go just there. You see, it not come out for this place. You see, it not go ever come out for the. Which kind of helicopter be this one? And now you won't fly. Stop my video. Sure. It goes just there like this for here. So down for the fixed position. Then I go remove them, or I move them. I go move them. Oh no, leave them. That's the fixed position. Then once we do it like that now, I think I say top. If I say top, put like 50 pixel. So what happen? Where they happen, we see it they push this how do they call it now? This div now, so they push on 50 from the top here. Because now, if you give position fixed there, what did I say? This guy they come out, you go see there, you go see that position first, so you go see that position, but it actually come out the flow of the whole element where they are now. It not the as in it not the part of this flow again. So by the time you got to give them direction, maybe you want made the thing push from the top come down now. You see and see the 50 now, you can go start from the top here. You see now be this one there now. So if I give her like 10, now, you see and see that from top here, it not gonna start from here again. But if I come out now, if I come out this top now, you see and see it's just the same place where originally it come from now. But if you the screw now, it will remain for that place. If you the screw, it will remain for that place. But now this position ID, you see now this position ID. So that now for the fix. I'm not gonna start that very soon. Just wait. That now for the fix. If I come here again, I change this one from fixed to relative. If I put on relative now, by the time I refresh here, as I the screw, see I say it is screw with the same thing. No, it is screw with the same thing. But if I come here now, I put that top now. So make a push on from the top now, like 50 pixel from the top. My push on. You see, I say it push from this place, just like the way our normal padding and those things that they work now. You see, sorry, the way our margin they work, it push. Now, what did that be say? By the time you give this guy relative now, so you go see the inside this parent. You get you feel the push and from this parent. Anytime where you push them, it go start from the parent here. The parent in this case and have this yellow background they see now. So when we give them 50 for the top now, it starts to the push now from top of the parent. But the time where the thing be fixed, it push from top of the browser direct. You see, it push from top of the browser direct now. You get the same thing. If we change this relative now to absolute, if we change that to absolute now, we can give them 50 pixel from the top now. Now it go to push from the top again, but this time one with the screw, it go to screw continue, it go to screw it and they go. I don't know if you get the scope now. Mark come on this 50 again. Now the position not be relative, not be fixed now. Absolute no idea. It did this place. But by the time we start to push from the top now, by the time we start to push from the top now, which is what we are doing here now. You see, by the time we start to push from the top now, you see, I say it not the push from this guy where be parent now. It push from the browser, but one with the screw, it is screw together they go. You see, it is screw together they go. They get. So now, what you need to understand is, if you give this guy relative, it will always obey this master now. Where be this background? That is this section now. So anytime you push him, you go see there within this guy now. The push from this guy they go. But by the time you specify absolute now, so you know the answer to this guy again now. So you see, this guy now be master again. A master now at the browser. By the time you start to push him now from the browser, now the thing will specify the push they come down. From the browser, the thing will push they come down. You get, and you feel the screw. But when you give them fixed, when you say fixed, it go there one particular position. It go there one particular position, and it go to push from top of the browser too. It go to push from top of the browser. But if you not give anything like top or right or left now, it go just hook for this normal place. You get another the thing it is somehow confusing, but more than enough fear. We get many things we go design. As for the designer, I go to use them and I will see how the thing they go. And mind you, nobody let this stop now. Nobody stop now. The man shout to relative. Nobody stop now. We get left. So if you see something, that will be left now. Man say if you want to push up left, it's 100 pixel now. If you do it like this now, see I say it push from the left hand side. You get. If you change this left now to right. If I say right now, so it happen now. It push up from the right hand side they go. You see so it push up from the right hand side they go. Then if I want to the bottom now, I command the top. So I'll command the top now so that by the time I specify bottom now, it go fee push up. You see and it don't push up now, because if I leave it now, say I specify top with the bottom together now, it not go do anything. See but now when I don't command the top now, it go push up. You see now, it don't push up now. And this is the way they give one kind of fine design now, because here now if you put something like profile picture for here, then some kind of text video here, then some kind of content video you get just something interesting. They get so now we go design many stuff. Now we go end up for the position. You get that table like say consider the position like Z index and the rest, but I want more to design something nice before I will give on the flow for that one. So for now I'm going to hang our boots for here for this position. So I see me got a big time for double start. If you like the video, like if you not like the video, still subscribe me if you're not lost and still tell your guys where they happen. See me earlier boy now. So see you for the next video. Thank you.